Hello, and welcome to the Best Sellers Market channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in top-selling products. I'm your host for today, and I'm thrilled to have you join us. Today, we have an exciting countdown in store for you. We will be showcasing the best-selling bulbs on Amazon. That's right, we'll be diving into the top picks that have been lighting up homes and brightening spaces all around the world. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home lighting, find the perfect ambiance for your space, or simply stay up to date with the latest trends, you're in the right place. So, without further ado, let's jump into our countdown of the best-selling bulbs on Amazon. Let's go. Starting off our list at number 10 we have, and there you have it folks, the top 10 best-selling bulbs on Amazon. We hope you found this countdown enlightening and helpful in making your next lighting purchase. Thank you for tuning into Best Sellers Market. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates and countdowns. Until next time, keep shining bright. This is signing off. See you soon. Number 5 on our list of Amazon's best-selling bulbs is a standout that transforms the way you see the road. Introducing the 9005/HB3H11 bulb, H8/H9/H16. Super bright 6000K cool white fog light, available in a convenient pack of 4. Imagine cutting through the densest fog with the sharp, crisp brilliance of 6000K cool white light. These bulbs aren't just bright, they're super bright, ensuring you see every curve, every obstacle, with unparalleled clarity. The 9005H11 fog lights are designed for those who demand more from their driving experience, who refuse to settle for mediocre illumination. Now, let's delve into what makes these bulbs exceptional. Firstly, versatility. Whether your vehicle requires 9005, HB3, H11, H8, H9, or H16, these bulbs have you covered. This adaptability means you don't need to worry about compatibility. They fit seamlessly, providing a hassle-free upgrade. Next, the power of their illumination. At 6000K, the cool white light not only enhances visibility, but also reduces eye strain. This optimal color temperature mimics daylight, making nighttime driving less tiring and significantly safer. And safety, as we all know, is paramount. These bulbs are more than just functional, they're durable. Crafted with longevity in mind, they withstand the rigors of daily driving. Whether it's extreme weather conditions or long night drives, these bulbs are built to last, giving you peace of mind and consistent performance. Furthermore, installation is a breeze. With a straightforward plug-and-play design, you don't need to be a car expert to enhance your vehicle's lighting. Just a simple swap, and you're ready to hit the road with a newfound confidence. In summary, the 9005/HB3H11 bulb, H8/H9/H16, super bright 6000K cool white fog light pack of 4 is a game-changer. It's a fusion of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled brightness, and robust durability. A small investment for a giant leap in driving safety and comfort. So as you consider upgrading your vehicle's lighting, remember the brilliance of the 9005H11 fog lights. Because when it comes to seeing clearly and driving safely, why settle for anything less than the best? Number 4, on our countdown of Amazon's best-selling bulbs, is a true beacon of reliability and longevity. Allow me to introduce the Philips Automotive Lighting 3157 LLB2 3157 Longer Life Miniature Bulb, a pack of 2 that promises to revolutionize your lighting experience. Let's talk longevity. These bulbs boast a lifespan that's twice that of standard incandescent bulbs. Imagine the convenience and peace of mind, knowing that your lights are built to last, reducing the hassle of frequent replacements. It's about more than just durability. It's about trust in every journey you undertake. Philips, a name synonymous with innovation, brings a vast array of smart light bulbs, lamps, fixtures, and accessories to the table. But today, our spotlight is on this 3157 Longer Life Miniature Bulb. What sets it apart? It's all in the details. Philips ensures original equipment quality, delivering the most reliable performance every time you hit the road. Now let's delve into why replacing these bulbs in pairs is crucial. Over time, bulbs naturally dim. To maintain a symmetric light beam and ensure optimal visibility, always replace both bulbs simultaneously. It's a simple step that enhances safety, ensuring that your path is evenly illuminated without compromise. Consider the reliability seal stamped on these bulbs. It's not just a mark, it's a promise. A promise of consistent quality and performance, validated by rigorous testing and a commitment to excellence. When you choose Philips, you're choosing a legacy of trust and a future of bright, dependable lighting. In essence, the Philips 3157 longer life miniature bulb is a small, yet mighty upgrade. It's a beacon of durability, reliability, and superior performance. Each drive becomes a testament to quality, each journey illuminated by the assurance that your lights will shine bright, mile after mile. So, as you ponder your next lighting upgrade, let the Philips 3157 longer life miniature bulb be your guiding light. Because when it comes to reliability and performance, why settle for anything less than extraordinary? Securing the third spot in our top 5 best-selling bulbs on Amazon is a revolutionary lighting solution that will transform your driving experience. Allow me to introduce the AUXITO 3157 LED bulb for reverse lights. This pack of 2 is not just about brightness, it's about redefining what you expect from your vehicle's lights. First, let's dive into the brilliance of these bulbs. Resembling the familiar halogen bulb shape, the AUXITO 3157 LED bulbs feature an impressive arrangement of 54 pieces of 4014 SMD LED chips. This meticulous design ensures a 360-degree high luminous efficiency, flooding your path with a full 6000K white light. Picture this: a light so bright and clear, reversing becomes safer and more confident, no matter the conditions. But there's more to these bulbs than just their dazzling output. Each 3157 bulb consumes a mere 5.5 watts, a quarter of the energy used by original bulbs, yet shines 4 times brighter. Thanks to the built-in Smart IC driver, you get a constant current with no radio interference. And let's not forget the instant-on capability. Zero warm-up time means immediate illumination when you need it most. The durability of these bulbs is equally impressive. The electroplating process housing enhances oxidation resistance and generates less heat, ensuring these bulbs are as tough as they are bright. Their high-grade shape fits perfectly in the assembly, making them an ideal replacement for your old halogen bulbs. Versatility is key with the AUXITO 3157 LED bulbs. Their small size mirrors OEM bulbs, and they are non-polarity, compatible with both US standard and CK sockets. These bulbs can be used for a variety of purposes: reverse backup, daytime running lights, turn signals, side markers, blinkers, parking lights, tail lights, and brake lights. They fit a wide range of models, including 3056, 3156, 3157, 3157K, 3057A, 4057, and 4157. However, a word of caution: these bulbs are not suitable for the reverse lights of 2018 to 2022 Ford F-150 models. Always verify the compatibility by entering your vehicle data online or checking your owner's manual. The Amazon filter system might not always be accurate, so when in doubt, double-check or seek assistance. In summary, the AUXITO 3157 LED bulb is a blend of cutting-edge technology, energy efficiency, and robust durability. It's more than just a light. It's a commitment to clearer, safer driving. So if you're looking for a lighting upgrade that delivers on all fronts, the AUXITO 3157 LED bulb is your go-to choice. Because when it comes to illuminating your path, why settle for anything less than the extraordinary? Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling bulbs on Amazon? Well, don't leave us in the dark. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay bright and shining with all our latest updates. Claiming the runner-up spot in our top 5 best-selling bulbs on Amazon is a product that truly shines in performance and reliability. Introducing the SYLVANIA 7443 Long Life Miniature Bulb, an ideal choice for daytime running lights, DRL, and backup/reverse lights. This pack of 2 promises not only superior illumination, but also remarkable longevity. Let's begin with the most crucial aspect: longevity. These Sylvania long-life bulbs are designed to outlast standard miniature bulbs, performing twice as long and ensuring you won't need to replace them frequently. This means less hassle, less downtime, and more time enjoying the confidence of well-lit driving. Sylvania understands the importance of consistency. Lights dim over time, so replacing them in pairs is essential. Your lights are a duo. One is never turned on without the other. When one bulb burns out, the other is likely not far behind. By replacing both simultaneously, you maintain uniform brightness and avoid unexpected outages. Installation is a breeze with these miniature bulbs. Sylvania has engineered them for ease of replacement, showing instant results the moment they're in place. No complicated procedures, no specialized tools, just a straightforward swap, and you're back on the road with brighter, more reliable lighting. Durability is another hallmark of these Sylvania 7443 long-life miniature bulbs. Crafted for high durability and low maintenance, these bulbs are built to withstand the rigors of daily driving. They offer greater safety by reducing the frequency of replacements, ensuring your lights are always at their best. With over 100 years in the business, Sylvania has established itself as a world leader in automotive lighting for original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and the aftermarket. This legacy of quality and innovation is evident in every product they create, and the 7443 long-life miniature bulbs are no exception. In summary, the Sylvania 7443 long-life miniature bulb stands out for its exceptional longevity, ease of installation, and unparalleled durability. It's a testament to Sylvania's commitment to quality and reliability, ensuring your vehicle's lights are always performing at their peak. So when it comes to choosing the best, why settle for anything less than the industry leader? Illuminate your path with Sylvania and drive with confidence. Topping our countdown of Amazon's best-selling bulbs is a product that exemplifies unparalleled brilliance and performance. At number 1, we have the Sylvania H11 XtraVision high-performance halogen headlight bulb. This versatile bulb, suitable for high beam, low beam, and fog replacement, is the ultimate choice for those seeking superior visibility and reliability. Why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? The Sylvania H11 XtraVision bulbs offer an enhanced downroad visibility, ensuring you see more of the road ahead without adding any glare. Imagine driving with a clear, bright path illuminated, making every journey safer and more enjoyable. These bulbs aren't just bright, they're super bright, transforming your night drives into clear, confident cruises. Now let's talk about performance and longevity. If one bulb burns out, the other isn't far behind. That's why it's essential to replace your H11 XtraVision halogen bulbs in pairs. This ensures balanced performance and consistent illumination. No more worrying about uneven lighting, just pure, symmetric brilliance lighting up your way. Installing these bulbs is a breeze. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a first-time fixer, the Sylvania H11 XtraVision bulbs are designed for easy installation. The robust filament design and proprietary gas mixture guarantee superior performance across various vehicles. It's a quick fix that delivers high-quality results, ensuring your lights are always at their peak performance. Durability is another standout feature of the XtraVision bulbs. Engineered to withstand the rigors of daily driving, these bulbs are built for maximum visibility and longevity. They are designed to improve your driving situation, providing consistent, durable high-beam performance even in the toughest conditions. What truly sets Sylvania apart is its legacy of quality. With over 100 years in the business, Sylvania is the world leader in automotive lighting for original equipment manufacturers, OEMs, and the aftermarket. This rich heritage of innovation and excellence is evident in every bulb they produce, and the H11 XtraVision is no exception. In conclusion, the Sylvania H11 XtraVision high-performance halogen headlight bulb is the epitome of what a headlight bulb should be: bright, durable, and easy to install. It's a testament to Sylvania's commitment to quality and performance, ensuring you drive with the best illumination possible. When it comes to lighting up your journey, there's no better choice than the number 1 on our list, the Sylvania H11 XtraVision. Drive brighter, drive safer, drive with confidence. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling bulbs on Amazon. To keep up with all the top products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Until next time, thanks for watching and see you soon.